casual. Frank, Filthy Frank is a god.
I'm moving this.
Mission begins in 30 seconds. Mission begins in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm moving this. That there wasn't getting any light.
The payload is nearing a checkpoint. Congratulations. We have been awarded additional time.
Thanks, mate. Thank you, Doctor.
What? I don't want to get the medic, but sure.
Merc, flash me.
We have been awarded additional time.
Yeah, I want to see if I can
The car's just
take
sitting there.
fucking down. Owie.
The car's just sitting there.
Victor.
Get to it.
Mission begins in 60 seconds.
Building the sentry. Erecting a dispenser.
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
Appreciate it, Doc. Come on, get. Medic! Packing up.
Mission begins in 10 seconds.
Go on, get.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Moving out. That was getting heavy. Moving out. Moving out. That there wasn't getting any lighter. You're all right.
Take care of that damn spy.
Teleporter going up.
Tunnel.
Did someone get that damn spy?
Mission in 60 seconds. Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Moving out.
Mission ends in 10 seconds.
Go on, get.
It's a spy scout.
Overtime. Victory.
We won the match, boys.
Smile.
Competition begins in 60 seconds.
Man, it feels like deja vu. Literally, like, a lot of the same people on the same fucking team.
You mad?
Yeah, you man,
Huh?
bitch.
Okay, this is
What? What?
We got. Oh,
I don't know.
In 30 seconds.
I can hear you. Where are you stranded at, fam?
In this game.
I have
I've been
freaking
stranded in this
depression.
game for 7
Prepare to compete in 10 seconds.
Oh, looks like the little shit talker left.
4, 3, 2.
Or he just stopped talking because he knows it's their decision.
No,
Are they
I'm
still
holding tab.
arguing?
He's not here.
Here we go again, man. Here we go again.
Mission
Yes.
begins.
He's not here
60
anymore.
seconds.
My God. Muted them.
Much appreciated, Doctor. Cheers, Doctor.
I
Good.
didn't meet anyone, so I thought I should be healing people.
Doing it the way.
Do you guys think it's funny that whenever girls play this game,
I know
they
the way,
main
brother.
pyro or medic?
Only artists my friend Michelle really likes. She tweets things at them.
Dude, the queen. Do you know the queen?
You know Filthy Frank.
Yes.
Welcome to the rice fields!
Welcome to the rice field, motherfucker.
Where's your parents?
10 seconds.
How about we just don't put
Going to over me.
We live on spies and everything.
Over me. That's gonna die.
Uberman. Oh, they're already getting started with their Uber. It's medic versus medic.
Where's my Uber, Rappo?
Bro, they rushed
Man, the Uber ran
They
out.
have crit me.
I am have the cancer.
It's better for those
Good job, team.
Bro, someone kill this ball, please.
Today I can't aim.
Today I shitted.
Yeah, you're playing Pyro, that's why you can't aim.
I peed, shitted, and cummed in my pants.
Got him.
Additional time has been awarded.
Thank you.
The cart is nearing a checkpoint.
Good job.
Yeah, this is big brain time.
This is impressive.
Thank you, I went to tier 2 school. You my girlfriend?
Owie,
Brain's
owie,
been
owie.
expanded.
Oh, medic, thank you, I love you.
Deflation.
Appreciate man.
Biggest
On the
brain in the
homo.
West.
Holy shit! There's a spy. There's a spy disguised as me. You coming up?
And there's a demo.
Hey guys, what do you call spy? Pyro.
No. Let it go. Help me.
I hope you burn in the deepest pit of
I've
hell.
lost my brain cell.
Welcome to the club.
Welcome to TF2.
That was so cool.
Gabe would be so happy right now.
No, he would not. Gabe Newell would be disappointed in fucking all of us.
9 years in development, he is
He's talking
disappointed.
to Robot.
Not robot. Do not compute.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, it's big brain time.
Pizza time.
What the? That sounded like my cat on a seizure.
Honestly, that makes sense.
I've never been a medic before, but I'll be medic.
That's an ungodly sound, man.
Cat that needs, or I meant to spy.
You want
Shut
to
up,
hear
soldier.
seizure cat? Here I go.
Shut up, infidel children. You don't have any rights.
Are you guys bored? Punch an orphan. What are
Everyone
they
got
gonna
silent.
do?
Okay,
Parents?
that's when I stopped.
Made me laugh.
Man, sometimes you can just hit an orphan. What are they gonna do to their parents?
Guys, get on
What?
the point.
That is
Sometimes you want to hit an orphan. What are they gonna do? Tell their parents?
wow.
On the point,
Just
guys.
because you can
Well,
tell
we're
my
trying,
right
right?
better doesn't mean it's right.
Dude,
Oh, bitch.
they rock.
They took my fucking pelvis scoob.
Right, no one
They
else
took my
pushing
fucking pelvis scoob.
What the
Jesus!
Hey, you sniper. you
Their
look like
medic
you need some
has pawns.
Dude. fucking
heal. Hey, it
fucking-
looks like you need some heal.
Did I just bump a spy again? Are you shitting me? Oh, not me.
3 scouts.
That's I should have.
No, we got 4.
Fine.
No, we got 4.
Let's just go all scout.
Yeah, it's all of us just be scouts.
Just let's bring on the cancer. I'm done. Bring the cancer.
Bring the cancer. Stage 4.
Bonk time.
It's Bonk and Mad Milk.
When you're undergoing chemotherapy, but there's suddenly a 10th stage.
Yeah, that would be Scout.
Boss music.
I wonder that's how Spy felt when he saw Scout.
No, it's like when you hit a level of cancer, it's like level 10. It's like, why do we hear boss music? There's a fucking demo with stickies and shit. Oh fuck. Nah, I'm good, fam. Let me in. No, thank you. Fuck that. Are they? They're out of fucking spawn. They're spawn kit.
That's to be a demo now.
They're camping on fucking spawn. What type of gay shit do you have to have?
Actually, yes.
You're really not funny.
It's your own name.
Oh, they're all up in our fucking spawn. Oh, they have another Uber too. Awesome. What the fuck is it up with them? Damn. Out of our fucking spawn, liberals! Out of our spawn, you cancerous fucking cunts. I think another insulting word. Does Spy know what invulnerability is? Because he was trying to fucking backstab our Ubered Heavy. How autistic do you have to be to try that? They have a fucking demo knight. And they have a teleporter somewhere. That's a good sign, because now they can pop up out of fucking nowhere. Alright, I'm gonna go scout so I can edge.
Come on, Scout, let's go.
Fala, chefe, vai lá,
Spy.
pô. Fala pra caralho.
New right shot?
Easy, boys, easy.
Smile and wave.
Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Mission begins in 60 seconds. Mission begins in 30 seconds.
Building a sentry.
Mission begins in 10
Erecting a
seconds.
dispenser.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
By the way, I gotta show you up.
I'm moving this.
this bitch.
Build in the sentry. Build in the sentry.
Nope. Not today, Scott. Why is it rolling down quiet?
Moving out. That was getting heavy. Just stop.
The payload is near the checkpoint.
Sentry down.
Scooby-Doo.
I'm moving. Sentry going up.
Fuck.
Has received additional
Erecting a
time.
dispenser. Sentry down. Get him out of here. What are you rascals trying to stop this ball?
The bomb is nearing the checkpoint.
Stop the
Enemy
bloody
has
ball!
received additional time.
What the fuck is it? Oh!
It's actually idle. It's spinning in spot bases.
I can't vote for shit, so if I press like one of my function keys, it'll do something else. I don't know what it's supposed to do. Fucking time to play cunt.
Gay penis.